Don't miss this vehicle. Make a great choice today with this must-have ride. Learn more about this vehicle by contacting the dealership today and complete your driving dreams. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, heated side mirrors, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, remote trunk release, headlights auto off, mirror memory, traction control. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.